Hey everyone, Nate here with Misbehavin'. Today I'm going to be clearing ice dams on my gutters as the snow thaws. Let's get started. As the snow melts, it'll run down along your roof line under the snow and collect at the edge. The soggy snow forms an ice wall. The risk is that the water and soggy snow that is behind it will saturate, and it'll actually cause water to run up under your shingles, which will then come into your house, soak your drywall and your insulation in your attic. So the trick is to break that ice wall so that the water runs into the gutters, or at least over the top of the gutters and off the edge. Okay, to break these loose, I'm going to use a hatchet. I'm going to remove the icicles to start with, and then just pick a section and remove the ice. When you're chiseling with the hatchet, don't go too hard, too deep. You don't want to hit your shingles. Once you finally get a hole in the ice, the rest of the chunks should break off towards that hole with much greater ease. Okay, now that I've made a hole, let me bring you up here to show you what I'm seeing. Okay, as you can see here on the edge of the rain gutter, I have the ice wall removed. Here's the edge of my shingle roof. And then here is a small, about 1/4 inch water gap, I guess we'll call it, or air gap, where the water is thawing from the house heat and then flowing under the ice down to the gutter. You don't want this water, or this ice wall, holding all that water back, because it can run up under your shingles, both at the gap here and even further up, seeping back under a whole tab. So that's the idea, to make holes in the ice dam to ensure that any water held back is actually either entering the rain gutter or coming over the edge of the rain gutter. You'll need to do this every few feet to ensure that you don't have an ice wall where the amount of water coming down over the course of the roof actually is greater than its ability to flow sideways to one of the holes you've created. Where I'm at today, if I do this a few times along the edge of the house, should be good, and it's starting to melt pretty quick, and this should solve the problem. All right, well, this was a quick how-to to remove an ice dam from your house to prevent water leakage up under your shingles and damage to your home. If you found it useful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more along these lines, subscribe to the channel, make sure the bell notification is toggled, and you'll get a notification when I upload more videos. I upload about every 2 weeks, DIY homesteading and farming type videos, and sometimes things like this, home ownership, that might save you $1 or $2. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.